Hello everyone and welcome to the 2nd Armored Gaming Division. It is I, Captain Mustang, aboard the USS Wyoming. Yes, we have left South Carolina behind. Instead of her smoothbore guns that fire in a general direction over there, we now have guns that might actually do something. Especially since we have another pair of them. 4 more shots that can maybe hit or completely land in the ocean somewhere else. Who knows? I just got this ship. I have not taken it out to battle. So we're all going to be part of this wonderful learning experience. So let's go do this. Yay! A new map. Wait. What? What? No. No, God. Oh, God, no, I don't belong in... I don't belong in this match. No. let me out of here. No. I don't belong here. Please. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Is that a... Oh, God, there's a Colorado. Oh God, it's a new... There's 4 checkpoints. Oh my God. Oh my God. What am I doing here? Oh my God. Okay, so there's Wyoming, a New York, a Colorado. We've got a Ranger aircraft carrier. I do not belong here. What am I doing here? Oh yeah, and I totally forgot the enemy team has New York. I mean, not a New York, a New Mexico. We're doomed. I'm gonna go with this guy. Because his ship looks like it could do some damage. Oh my God, I'm in a whole new freaking league. Why? Why am I here? Why is any of this happening?
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Shh, we're winning in points. Just be quiet for a second. Is that a bad guy coming down the canal? No. Oh my God, there are some different looking ships, that's for sure. A whole new game. It's cool though, I'm on a new map, but Jesus Christ, do I have to... Oh, this is so pretty. Oh man. Those things elevate quick, don't they? Oh my God. It's so pretty with its old wooden decks. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, enemy. Enemy. Enemy, he's coming out to harass my friends. Oh, no. 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 Bad. Bad. Don't you do it. Don't make me. I just want to see if those get anywhere close to where he is. Fire all the guns! Oh, that looks wonderful. Okay, 3,000. We'll take that. He doesn't look happy. He does not look happy. please, please. God damn it, he's behind the rocks now. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be intense, isn't it? Oh, this is gonna be tough. Oh, 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 okay. Not even close. Not even close. Hat. Can someone put that out? Please? I don't even care I'm burning. I'll just let my fire crew actually put it out because I'm not wasting my repair kit for that little bit of damage. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh god. New Mexico showed up. Please God no. We need to sink him right now. Oh.
Confirmed penetration.
We are so boned. We are so boned right now. Oh, my secondaries are opening up. Come on. Come on. Reload. Reload. Please. 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 Fire everything! We've got a lot of... Put the fires out. Come on. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Come on. Come on. Secondaries are opening up. We got this. We got this. We reload. For the love of God, reload. Please. Please. Hold out. Hold out just a little longer. A little longer. Fire! Yes! Yes! Yeah! Oh, fuck me. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was terrifying. I don't even care if I die now. Oh. Oh no. What the hell hit me? What the hell hit me? I was dive bombed. I was dive bombed. Now I'm gonna burn to death. Oh god. You know what? I don't even care. I don't even care. I sunk a giant enemy battleship. I don't care. Holy shit. Oh, that was wonderful. Oh, this is a beautiful New York. I love that paint job. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Hold on. Screenshot. Well, there's some gameplay video of the USS Wyoming. That is the complete base ship that has 0 upgrades, no gun upgrades, nothing. That is how she comes when you first buy it for almost 900,000 credits. Oh yeah, she was an expensive ship. She's an expensive toy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. For more videos from me, I will be continuing my World of Warships escapade. I will be rallying the 2nd Armored Gaming Division to fleet up and see if we can get out there and get some team fights together. So we'll have a little dialogue, you know, between me and the other boys as we wage naval warfare and these beautiful, amazing ships. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. As always, this is Captain Mustang signing out.